Okay, you guys, so I know it looks kind of yellowish because I have that light going on right there. But I have this gold mirror that I had bought from Kirkland's for $15. And then this one's my mom gave to me. So I have been having them like this against each other. But I'm getting boring of the gold color. I don't have nothing at all in my house that is gold besides this. So I'm thinking of spray painting it with a chalky finish with the spray paint that I got from King Dollar. Hopefully it turns out really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this outside and then we'll see what I do from there. Right now, this is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do is take the little screws from here, and simple as it sounds, you guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. We'll pop the mirror out the frame, simple as that. So I can just go ahead and spray paint our little gold thingy, and I'll be using the Valspar chalky finish paint. Again, that's from King Dollar, so we'll see how it turns out. So I'm literally underneath the tree house because it was raining, but I think it stopped. But either way, I'm gonna just go ahead and spray paint them under here so they can dry here without any drops of rain. So I just need something so I can put him laying down like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it just a light coat, and then I'm just gonna go light, you guys, because I really want this to come out good, not so cakey and messed up. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So hopefully this spray works pretty good. Okay, so this is how it looks. White. I actually like it. It looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and bring the other little mirrors so I can go ahead and show them to you. Here are the small little mirrors. There's a crack right there. I don't know why, but I really like how they turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit in there. But yeah, it looks really nice. I wanted to distress them, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave them like that. And that's the results of me not dusting it before spraying it. So make sure that you dust something, guys, before you spray it, because that was a huge mistake that I did in my part. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this inside. This is how it looks, and I really like it. Now I went ahead and I went to my drawer to see what I can find so I can put it in the center, because I did want to go ahead and put this magnolia thing in the middle. So I did find the hook. This is the command hanging hook. It was meant to be outside, but I don't know why I didn't use it outside. But yeah, and then I found this that's from Dollar Tree, which I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the middle of the wreath. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and snap my fingers and it's gonna come to life. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks. I really love how it looks. Literally, it's really nice whenever everything's put together. For example, the candles are in place. I put the wreath hanging with the little home sign in the middle, just because this one, it wouldn't want to stay in there. So I was like, I was gonna leave it blank, but then I found the home sign because I'm bringing all my decor back from putting it up, since I was putting Christmas decor. I brought it all back and I saw the little home sign there, so I decided to go ahead and stick it in there, and I really like how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a close-up just so you can see like the mirror The mirror, I did end up cleaning it, so it turned out really smooth and nice. This, on the other hand, is the one that kind of, you can see the dust, the little dusting in there, but it's fine. I mean, it's not like people are gonna come and look at it like, oh, is there dust in there? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I really like how it turned out, you guys. I was really doubting it, but I actually really like how it looks. So I'm trying to give you guys another angle. This is just like a little video that I want to go ahead and record, so you can see that whatever you have on hand, you can turn it up into something that you probably like even better. Like I said, I had this mirror and this candle holding mirror thingies for a while here, and they're gold, and that's about the only thing that I have here in my house that's gold, that is really big. So it's like it does not go at all with my decor, so I decided to go ahead and spray paint it. Like I said, I really do hope that you guys enjoy it too, and I hope it gives you some kind of inspiration, you know, to what you can do with your stuff at home. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.